CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm breaking down my exact play for Wednesday coming forward. How would I trade this and all the good stuff. Now, having done well over 45,000 videos over 5 years, you know, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And basically where we are is just in a big bearish trend, which yesterday kind of went up 3%, which I'm not that kind of surprised about, to be very honest with you. Like, looking at circle internet group, man, like, the only thing that I would really care if I see a full candle close about 145 bucks. I mean, other than that, really nothing that I'll add here. Even like up to the point where we are, there's far better tickers, you know, far better setups than that I can, you know, go ahead and trade rather than just risking the same risk amount here and me trying to force trades. I mean, bottom line, all I'm just doing is sticking to my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos, you know what I mean? So I'll be very glad and just happy then to wait more, because if there's not confirmation here, there's just simply no way that I'll buy. And plus it's a demand zone. So I know it sometimes could be boring, but it's part of the game, and like, that's exactly what my opinion is on this. Now, if you want to stay tuned, if you want to get daily stock picks, tips, and insights and out for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.